Managers of Japan's damaged nuclear plants seem to be making progress in getting their system to decontaminate radioactive water fully operational. They started up another part of the Advanced Liquid Processing System, or ALPS. Engineers with Tokyo Electric Power Company, or TEPCO, began testing one of 3 operational lines for ALPS. The system can remove 62 kinds of radioactive substances, excluding tritium. The engineers suspended the line in June after unprocessed radioactive water leaked out of a stainless steel tank. They discovered salt and chemicals had been eroding these tanks, leaving small holes. The engineers began a trial run of another ALPS operational line about a month ago. They plan to test the remaining one in mid-November. Plant managers had wanted the system to be fully running by last month, but the repeated malfunctions and suspensions have forced them to change that next year. They want to build 3 more operational lines for ALPS in 2014 and use government aid to set up a facility capable of decontaminating more radioactive water. TEPCO plans to finish cleaning up all of its stored wastewater by March 2015. About 440,000 tons of radioactive water is being stored at Fukushima Daiichi.
The utility in charge of Japan's damaged nuclear plant has faced some tough questions. Tokyo Electric Power Company President Naomi Hirose had a rare meeting with the chairman of the Nuclear Regulation Authority, Shunichi Tanaka. Tanaka asked Hirose how TEPCO managers plan to prevent more problems at Fukushima Daiichi following a series of radioactive water leaks. The president said he intends to send more workers to the crippled facility, including those now at another idled nuclear plant. He also said TEPCO plans to support the workers to ensure they can make full use of their skills. Tanaka asked Hirose to improve working conditions inside the Fukushima plant, including for those who are dealing with the decontamination process. He reportedly said he wants the utility to carry out drastic long-term reforms.
Members of the media on Monday were given a chance to look at a tunnel in Japan's north that will be used to test nuclear waste storage techniques. The underground facility was created by the Japan Atomic Energy Agency. The government-affiliated body is studying methods of nuclear waste disposal at the site in Horonobe Town. The research tunnel is in a sedimentary rock formation at a depth of 350 meters. Agency experts will soon begin placing simulated nuclear waste containers in alcoves leading off the tunnel. The vessels are equipped with heat sources that keep them at up to 100 degrees Celsius to imitate radioactive waste. Researchers will check whether nuclear material stored at such a site is affected by temperature fluctuations, water seepage, and other factors. They'll also check whether the tunnel itself sustains any damage.
The
data will be obtained for various conditions associated with radioactive waste. It will be the first test of its kind in Japan, and the data may help to establish ways to store nuclear waste safely.
Also on Monday, the Industry Ministry launched a panel to re-examine its plan to build such underground disposal sites for atomic energy waste. The review is the first in 14 years. The expert panel consists of 8 academics specializing in earthquakes, seismic faults, groundwater, and other fields.
We will conduct a thorough review that will allow us to look at whether the conventional approach to geological disposal is appropriate.
If a waste site were engulfed by lava, it could cause immeasurable damage not only in Japan but globally.
The ministry plans to conclude its review by March of next year. The government in 2000 enacted a law on nuclear waste disposal and has since tried without success to recruit a candidate municipality.